Hi, everybody. I'm Janice Carter, and we'll be working together. So I'm glad you all guys made it. I'm really excited to get to meet all of you. Okay? All right, good. So we're going to get started. You have my name. So I just want to make sure I have everybody's name and the ages and what you guys are doing. All right? So we're going to first start with Dad, Mr. Green. Your first name is James. Okay. And James, you are semi-retired. All right. And I hear that you are getting better. All right. That's good to hear. Good to hear. And then we have Jennifer, your wife. Hi, Jennifer. All right. And you work outside of the home. And what kind of work do you do? Housekeeping. Okay. All right. So you're pretty busy, huh? Okay. All right. And then we have James Jr. So let me ask you the question. Is it James Jr. or just Jr.? Okay. So it's James Jr. Okay. And you're 17 and you're a junior in high school. All right. And you have really good grades, I hear. All right. And what do you want to do when you get out of high school? Be a chemist. Wow. All right. Good move. Good move. And then we have Janine. Janine, you're 15. Okay. And a freshman, first year in high school, huh? Exciting. All right. And I hear you're a cheerleader and pretty popular in high school, huh? All right. Okay. I used to be a cheerleader, so, I miss it. I can't jump like I used to, but I did love cheerleading. So, okay. And what do you want to do when you get out of high school? Okay. All right. You want to have your own salon. Wow. So you love that, huh? Okay. All right. Maybe I could be a future client. All right. Okay. Um, so I'm glad you guys all made it here. I'm glad to meet all of you. So just gonna ask a few more questions. Um, James and Jennifer, this is your first marriage, and you guys been married for how long? 20, wow, 21 years. Wow. Okay. All right. And there's no other children? Okay. Just a boy and a girl. All right. Okay. So what kind of things you guys like to do together? All right. Oh, you haven't done anything for a while. Okay. Everybody's busy. All right. So what kind of things did you guys used to do? Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Thank you. Thank you. All right. So we're gonna go on. All right, and I may come back to that. Okay. All right. So James, you say that that your wife is always busy with the kids, or she's always busy doing something, in the community, and you know, you guys don't spend time like you used to. Like you used to. You say you used to go to the drive-in. Okay, that's something you guys used to do when you were, I guess, first married. All right, well, to James, you can tell her. Tell your wife that you miss her and you wish you could at least have a movie night every now and then. Go to the drive-in. Okay, I'll just wait. Okay, so that didn't hurt, right? Nothing exploded. And now she knows that you want to go to the movies. Okay, so Jennifer, you say that your husband doesn't help enough around the house because when you get home from cleaning, you don't want to do it again, right? Okay. All right, well, you can let him know. You can just say, James, I want you to help me more around the house. He's right there. Okay. Okay. So, James, you can understand that, right? Yeah, 'cause she cleans all day, just a little bit. Okay. All right. So, now that I got you two talking, that's great. I'm glad to hear that you guys are talking. All right. Because when the last time you guys had a little conversation with each other? It's been a while. Okay. All right. Everybody's busy. Okay. James is usually in bed pretty early, huh? Yeah. And Jennifer comes home tired. has to get dinner done. Sometimes pick Janine up from school. Okay. So, James Jr., you have a license yet? Okay, almost. Okay. All right. I guess that'd be a great help when you do. Yeah. All right. So, I have a little homework assignment for everybody in the family. Okay? All right. So, mom and dad is going to let me know what movie they watched the next time we meet. They're going to go to the movies together. All right? And what Janine is going to do, Janine is going to probably cook dinner one night. All right? For everybody. You know, we're going to have the kids share and cook a dinner for mom and dad. So, mom gets home one night. And just something you guys can do before you next time you visit me. And you all just sit down and have dinner together, and no cell phones, and just talk about what you did during the day. You never know what kind of conversation could get started. Okay? All right. And I look forward to hearing about your adventure when you come back next time. All right. You guys take care. Bye bye.